Professor Blue Review. Success on YouTube. Hello, this is the Professor Blue Review. Success on YouTube. I'm going to give you a 1-minute suggestion here, and thanks to Carol Kroll, a great YouTuber. That's KK. That's K-double-K. Carol Kroll. Number 1, find your own groove and the way you want to present your message and your business on YouTube will take time, effort, and most importantly, experimentation. Get out there and experiment, like I was experimenting with the cowbell. Yeah. You like that one, or do you like this one? Right, you gotta get an experiment. You gotta get out there and experiment and hold your form. Championship focus. This is Professor Blue Review. YouTube success. As educators, as parents, as professors, as coaches, it's time to wake up our kids. Wake up our kids and get them back into education. But we got to do it fun. Education's got to be fun. Learning's got to be fun. Here's how you do it. Come, sis. Look down below, and we will take you to the Professor Blue Review and enjoy education. Get the kids back into new knowledge and learning and enjoying their new learning. Enjoying to learn new knowledge. To love learning. Check it out down below. Take care. Hello, champions. Let's be champion learners.